What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 25 of the Webull Options Adventures, where our goal is to basically sell options and collect that premium so that it could eventually replace your 9-to-5 job. Last week I was not able to make an update, and that was because I was busy. But last week I actually lost quite a bit of money, so I will be showing you guys those trades once we jump over to the Google Sheets. First, I'm going to show you guys what I have currently in the Webull app. But so far right now the portfolio is at $43,801.05. We're down about 22%. That's about $12,512.75. Our cash balance right now is at $502.15. So we are down quite a bit on the cash balance. We were close to almost $1,700. So I'll show you guys that we actually lost quite a bit of money, and that was because one of the trades last week. But anyways, right here we do have 100 shares of Palantir. We have a cost basis of $24.97. We actually sold a covered call at a strike price of $25.50, and it expired yesterday, which is the 4th of June. I'm recording those on Saturday. But anyways, we collected 5 cents, so 5 cents times 100, because a contract is 100 shares, so we collected $5. And so right now the Palantir price is at $24.03 is what it closed. So that is way below our strike price of $25.50. So that means that the contract expired worthless, and we actually just got to keep the $5. And so all of this stuff on Webull will get updated on Monday morning when the market, well, I guess before the market opens, maybe like 1 or 2 hours before it. So right now we did collect and kept the $5. So that is one thing about Webull, is that this stuff will get updated even though it expired worthless until the following trading day. And the next one we have here, guys, is Tesla. So we have 8 shares. We're down quite a bit. We are not doing anything with them right now. We're down about 21%. And the next one as well is Mara. We have 200 shares. Cost base is about $47. We're down about 48%. So maybe next week we'll sell some covered calls. This week I didn't end up doing it. But the next one here, guys, is the one that actually made us lose quite a bit of money last week. We actually sold a covered call this past week, and then I was able to rebuy it back at a very cheap price, and then I sold another one for next week. But this one is, we have 100 shares of Beyond Meat. Our cost base is around $172.67, and actually, let me show you guys what I did. So this is a different covered call that I did, but I'm gonna pull up the stock price here. So this is weird with Webull with the new update. You can kind of press like a couple times for you to actually get you to the charts. But you'll see that Beyond Meat was trading around basically right around $100, right? And so what happened was last week I sold when it was trading around $115, I sold a covered call at a strike price of like $137 or so. And so it's only 5 days. I didn't realize that it would ever reach $137. Now I thought it was going to expire worthless, and no, guys, that week Beyond Meat just started moving up. It went all the way to like $145 a share. So that was right above my strike price for my covered call. And remember that I was selling a covered call way below my cost basis, so I definitely didn't want my shares taken away. So I had to buy back that contract, and I had to pay the difference. I was gonna roll it, but I decided that I was gonna wait it out and see what happened, because Beyond Meat was just on a trend upwards, and I didn't know what was going to happen. So that is something that I did lose money quite a bit there. We're trying to recover that money every week right now. So since Beyond Meat is way around, I guess $145 is what it's trading for, we're actually able to sell way above our cost basis and collect quite a bit of premium. So you'll see that we do have a covered call on Beyond Meat with a strike price of $180. So that is way above our cost basis. So if our shares were to get taken away, we would make about $800, $700 or so. But it will be expiring next Friday on the 11th of June. And we collected 87 cents. So 87 cents times 100 is $87 that we collected already. So we'll see how this contract expires next week. I might actually be able to buy it back at $5 or so. So we'll see what happens with that one. And then the last one here, guys, is we have 400 shares of NEO. We do have them at a cost basis of $51.49. And NEO is currently trading at $41.94. We sold 4 covered calls at a strike price of $54. So we're finally able to start selling covered calls way above our cost basis. We didn't collect quite a bit, but we did sell it at $54 as a strike price, and it expired this past Friday. And so since NEO's trading at $41.94, it's definitely way below our strike price. So we basically got to keep 1 penny, which is 1 penny times 100 is $1, times 4 contracts. We collected $4, so we got to keep those $4. So we'll see what happens next week. I'm gonna sell some more covered calls. We're not, $4 isn't a lot, but we're finally able to start collecting some premium, and we'll eventually recover, and we'll start making the $1,000 per week like we were earlier. So I'm really excited for that. It's just we gotta keep holding. But anyways, guys, let's jump over to the Google Sheets, and I'll show you guys every single trade from the previous week as this current week as well. Alright guys, so we're here at the Google Sheets. If you guys are interested in this spreadsheet, I do have it for free. You just look at the video description and check it out. It's not complete all the way, but it does have some of the things working here. So anyways, let me show you guys what we made for this past week. Well, I guess not this past week, but the previous week that I didn't make an update. I actually lost quite a bit of money, but let's go ahead and go. That was the 24th is when it started of May, and it actually ended on the 28th. So we actually lost $1,269. Ouch, guys. But we're gonna recover this. I'm definitely way above what we've already made, so we're definitely not in the negative. It's just, it sucks losing money, but that's what happens. We're way, we were trading way above our, well, I guess way below our cost basis, and we could have rolled it, but we're finally making some money now that the stock is starting to recover. But anyways, we collected about $77 that week, and then that Beyond Meat trade that went wrong, we actually had to buy it back, and we paid $1,345 to exit that position. Nothing in capital appreciation, so that is where most of our money that we lost is that Beyond Meat trade, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. And then let's find out this current past week. So this was the 31st of May all the way to June 4th. So this week was pretty profitable, and so we actually made $124.32. And so this isn't quite a bit compared to what we were making a few months ago, but we are going to start recovering this, and every little cent counts, because right now our goal is to try to get to 30% on our money returned. We still have quite a bit of months left before the end of the year, and we're already close to that goal anyways. But for the credits, we collected $129, and then after fees it was like $128.39, and then we actually bought back $4 worth of options. So this was actually the Beyond Meat that I actually bought back, and I was able to sell another one for next week. Nothing in capital gains, and then that was $124.32. So let me show you guys the weekly performance here. So as you'll see is week 51 is where we lost quite a bit of money. It brought our total amount to $56,922.46, and then this past week we collected the 124, so it brought it back up to $52,046.78. And if we look over here, you'll see that our total money that we've collected since January, we've collected $10,627.44. Our average per week right now that we would collect, compared to everything from the current past months, it's around $483. This might continue to go down quite a bit until we start recovering on our positions. But anyways, right here, our total, as you guys already saw, current return on investment, this is with premiums. Well, I guess this is how much we started at the year on January, and this is the premium difference that we've collected. So we've collected about 22.89% so far on our money. and you guys already know that we did lose those $1,000, so this actually brought it down. We were trading around 25% on a return. We're trying to achieve 30%. I definitely want to make way above 30%, but our goal by the end of the year is 30%. 30% I think is totally achievable, and I think that's a great return for the year on our money. But let me show you guys the credits here. So this is where most of the trades happened. So you'll see everything in the green, well, everything in the blue were from the previous week, the one that I didn't make the update because I was busy. But you'll see that we sold covered calls on Mara, and we collect about $8. Beyond Meat, we sold that covered call, and this is where basically I was actually able to make a difference here money wise, and I was actually able to collect the difference there. The other one here is Palantir. This one we actually had to buy it back because it was trading really close to our strike price and we were selling way below our cost basis, so I didn't want my shares taken away. And this is the one that lost us quite a bit of money here, guys. So Beyond Meat is the one that I traded at a 137, and then it just went above that and it was trading around 145 a share. And then we just kept selling covered calls on Neo. We collected a little bit of money here, and they all expired worthless. And then this past week, as you guys saw, Neo, we collected about $4 and they expired worthless. Palantir, it expired worthless. And then Beyond Meat, I was able to buy it back for like $4, so I kept the $28, and immediately I was able to sell another covered call for next week, which we collected about $87. And I'll show you guys here the debits. These are right here are the ones from the previous week where I didn't make the update. You'll see that I had to pay $23 on Beyond Meat, but we got to keep the difference. So that was a great return because it was only like one day. And then this is the one that hurt us the most, was the $1,300, and then the Palantir. So that one kind of hurt. That one was an ouch. And then this one for this past week on Friday, I was able to buy back the contract at $4, and then we sold another one, as you guys saw. For gains, we didn't do anything here. There's no update. Current buys, we are still holding the 8 shares of Tesla. And so that is actually all I have for you guys on this update. So definitely let me know how your trades are going, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and as well, please support the channel by simply hitting that like button. It means a lot to me, and I will catch you guys in the next video, especially for Sunday for the portfolio update. So bye guys.